So this is JpegDigger. This is one of my favourite softwares. Obviously for getting JPEGs. Never fails. It always gets 20 or 30% more than most other softwares. Even on tough jobs that are hard to do. So first of all you should image. Well, select your drive first. Then you can image it. You can even get, I've got a relay for it that keeps your device connected and does software resets on the device. I don't need it for this one though, but you can buy it. It's useful. Also, there's advanced settings. These two are always selected by default. Skip corrupted files and filter duplicates. So I'll take that one off. We'll just do simple carving so it's quick. Sorry, no. Usually I select deep scan, but I'll just leave it as it is. And then you just press start. No, sorry, scan. Start, you copy it. You get used to it after a bit. So already it's pulling off photos. Should be 30 on here, I think. It's about 34, 35. They might have duplicated some. Did I unconnect that, did I? Well, I still had filter duplicates on. But anyway, there you go. It's brilliant software. Well worth buying. And works perfect, especially on really hard cases. It usually gets 20 or 30% more JPEGs than other softwares.